So homemade splash guard for the motor. Trimmed out the tail. So these guys used to be mounted over here. Now they're mounted here, so they're kind of recessed. Trimmed down the license plate. All stock components. Just kind of tucked it in a bit. CRG mirrors. Just bar ends. 7/8 adapters. Got the 7/8 adapters. And the light bar. So kind of in line with the signals for now. Just a cheapy box made out of, well, made out of 2x2 1/8 inch thick. So that's going to get painted black. So that should look a little bit better. And let's go see how it looks. So these would be just the running lights, daylights, let's say. And that is our night lights. Brights. Pretty good. And switch works. So this is rough country, right? Light bar. So they got an amber driving light. So I'm using the driving light as a daylight. And then the actual bar is going to be used as a brights or flashers. So it's kind of legal, eh? Bright as heck. Excellent. So, I don't know. Looks kind of goofy to me right now, but when it's painted, it should look a little bit better. Side view. Everything is tucked in. All the wiring is piece underneath it too. So, that's it.